Okay, guys, so in the last two videos, we've called for the tech crash. It is officially here. So Microsoft from 467 down to 455. Today is going to go down in the history of the news as the day when Magnificent 7 turned to Ugly 7. That's what they're going to be talking about in the news. They're going to be talking about the big rotation, how money is going from big tech stocks to other sectors. But is it? I think we're on the verge of a much, much bigger crash here that is not going to be contained to just technology stocks. Some of the things that you probably missed this morning is a big warning in the sector, in the travel sector. So Delta announces earnings and big miss, but more importantly, it's not the miss in revenue and everything and the huge miss in earnings, but the forward-looking guidance. So I believe this earnings season guidance, or what's also known as company's outlook. Guidance is going to become the curse word. Outlook is going to be the curse word for this earnings season. So a lot of companies are going to be beginning to announce earnings. Some major banks are going to be reporting tomorrow, and I think they're going to repeat this pattern right here of Delta and many companies next week. So just to review some of the trades, guys, Netflix, easy trade, down 16 points. I've got finally a day when Apple is breaking down. There it is, 233 to 228. It's happening now. You've got Meta, which we've loaded up on that one, okay. 538 down to 520, small bounce. Guys, we still have so much room in these stocks to drop lower, guys. But yet, of course, nobody wanted to buy puts yesterday when shit was shooting to the moon and everyone's buying them when. Now, when shit is collapsing, guess what you think happened in the premiums between yesterday on stocks like Meta and today, okay? SMCI, guys, these stocks, all right, I mean, it's only down 20 bucks. This stock by tomorrow could be down another 100, 130 points. So, I mean, some of these are still bargains as far as bargain for a short seller because they have an enormous amount of room to run lower. AVGO down, I mean, what's $34? That's nothing, okay? We're just beginning in some of these names the breakdown lower. So, just to summarize some of the things that transpired in the markets just to help you build out the domino chain. So it started with the weak consumer. When did we get the official notice about the weak consumer to where the numbers could no longer be masqueraded? Well, we got it during the Nike report. So let me rewind this. How long ago was that? Within the last 10 days. So we shorted Nike ahead of earnings report. And so Nike was the first wake-up call for the market. But guess what? Nike drops, the biggest drop in the history of the company. Nobody pays any fucking attention, right? And the market continues higher. Then we have Helen of Troy, another retail stock. The market is still fucking asleep. And then you would think that people would get the memo, okay, stay away from fucking retail stocks, short them, short them, short them. But no, what do the analysts tell you? Oh, Costco, buy Costco shares. That's the best fucking company. That's the best retail play in the whole fucking world. Yeah. If you would have gotten the memo on Nike and you would have gotten the memo on Helen of Troy, HELE, would you be buying Costco calls today? Well, you need to fucking sign up at 13 Market Moves if you bought Costco calls because you're getting killed right now. So what the fuck has happened with Costco? Oh shit, from 910 to 853. Well, we shorted that thing at the open, guys. You should have been ready for it. You gotta look at everything in the market is connected. It's interrelated. So when you market gives you multiple messages, hey, this is it, this is it, this is it, and you still go buy fucking calls on Costco because you're listening to the news and some bullshit analysts. And another thing, what happened during the Costco earnings call? They're raising the membership fee by $5. Let me ask you something. Okay, so the bullshit report that we got today in inflation, what is that? Like, it's total crap, right? Everybody knows inflation consistently goes higher. Costco just confirmed it. Okay, now your Costco membership costs, what, It costs more. It doesn't cost less. Okay, everything, prices are going higher despite of the bullshit inflation reports that are recorded. How do they keep track of that shit? I mean, clearly there is an error, because you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure this shit out. Anything that you buy today, you pay more than what you paid for 5 years ago. Your insurance is more, your house note is more, everything is more. Anything that you pay for at a grocery store, it is more, not less. So how can inflation number go down? Fuck, I guess because it's motherfucking Biden, right? He cannot do 2 plus 2. Okay, for him, 2 plus 2 is 3. Oh, inflation going down. Everybody knows inflation is fucking going higher. Oil, since the last time they recorded the inflation, okay, went from 70 to 80, almost 85. How can oil price go by this much and inflation go down? Please, somebody, hello, anybody there? It's total bullshit. So, and that's why the U.S. consumer is shit. There's no strength in the U.S. consumer. So let's build out the domino chain. So nobody can buy. It starts where? Again, let me just rewind this back. Starts with what? Starts with the fact that nobody can buy sneakers anymore. Okay, they're maxed out on that fucking card. Nobody buys sneakers. That's a wake-up call. Then we transition to nobody buys makeup. Okay, there it is right there. Their card maxed out. They don't fucking buy makeup. All right, then naturally, you put that together with what? MasterCard. Hello? Anybody got the memo yesterday on MasterCard? Why is MasterCard dropping? Well, consumer can't buy makeup and they can't buy shoes. How the fuck are they going to pay their credit card? Guys, it's the domino effect, okay? And I don't care, like, if you guys traded during 2007, 2008, 2009, it doesn't fucking matter. AI, Apple, Microsoft, who gives a shit? Okay, you know why? Because guess what happened to Apple and Microsoft in 2008? They all fucking dropped. The whole market went down, and so did Apple and Microsoft. So there is no a safe place in this market. The dominoes are folding at the speed of light. And it is amazing still that some companies are trading at the levels where they at right now. They're going to be all trading way the fuck lower. So there's another warning. Don't be buying the dip today. Don't be buying the dip tomorrow. There's going to be a point to buy the dip based off the technicals, but it's not today and it's not tomorrow and it's not Monday. So where were we? So basically you got weak consumers spelling out in potential credit card debt and defaults, spelling in potential home repossessions, auto loan defaults, repossessions. Okay, where's that going to take everything moving forward? And the question is, so based off today's inflation data, the bullshit inflation report that they're feeding you, all right, and now the market is calculating a 1/4 point rate cut in September. Do you think, with everything I have just described to you, that the market, all right, that would really make any difference if the Fed was to cut the rate a 1/4 point in September? No, it wouldn't make any fucking difference. And I'm telling you, there could be a moment where Fed is gonna, between now and December, where Fed is gonna come out and say, oh shit, you know what? We're a little too late to cut rates. We're gonna do an emergency cut. Instead of a 1/4 point, we're gonna cut 1/2 point. And guess what that's gonna do to the market? It's gonna drop 10, 20%. All right, the market before election, guys, could be down 30% from where we are right now. So let's review where the fuck are we, okay? So let's take a look at NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ, there it is. There's your tech crash. It's happening now, okay? But as far as the tech crash, we're now trading below yesterday's point despite of the 200-point rally yesterday. We're now below that. That is a major reversal. I mean, I hope you guys can see that, right? That's where we started yesterday, pump. Overall, it's a beautiful move to formation today in the markets. Guys, if you don't know how to trade a move to, you've got to get your 13 market moves course today. But now, as you can clearly see, this is a major bear reversal at the very, very top. I screamed through my lungs in the video yesterday to get the point across to you that this was the most beautiful setup for buying puts that we have seen. I mean, this is going to be remembered as the market top going forward now for probably 3 years. People are going to be talking, oh, remember that day when NASDAQ hit 20,983 on the futures? Oh, shit, yeah, man. This is going to go down in history like as one of the moments. Remember in 2017 when Bitcoin shoots to 20,000 and then for like 3 years it can go back to 20,000. That's the kind of moment this is. So trade this moment, guys. We told you this was going to happen. We told you within a day. We told you 2 days in advance, and then we told you again 1 day in advance of this shit happening. That's why you come to 13 market moves. Now, how low can we go? Shit. I mean, NASDAQ can drop 30%. Well, you do the math from this. NASDAQ by November could be at 15,000. I mean, it's at 20,983. Well, 20,668 now. But as far as S&P 500, I mean, that's it. I mean, you're not going to hear many analysts going on CNBC today telling you, oh, we're raising our target price. See, it was easy for them to raise target prices as long as what? As long as the shit was moving higher. I guarantee you not single one fucking analyst is going to go to CNBC today and say, oh, I'm raising my target price today. No, none of them are going to do that today. So right now they're fucking unloading the shit they told you to buy yesterday. That's what's happening now. And that's why this drop is nothing. Okay, this is just a bit. We're only down 22 points on S&P. This is total bullshit. You have not seen the beginning of this yet. All right, we're going way the fuck lower. So where could S&P 500 be by November? Guys, I mean, we can easily be at 5,000. I think there's a chance we're going to be at 46, 4,800 on S&P. Okay, so the bull run is over. This is the market top. So remember this, take a fucking picture of this 5707 on S&P 500 futures on July 9th. It is officially market top. And this is a major reversal from bull to bear. Now, we're experts at 30 market moves, trading bear patterns, shorting the bounces, understanding which stocks are going to drop a lot more than some of the other ones. And we utilize short-term option strategies to help you put together 10x, 20x, 50x trades. Now we got 2 trades that can go 50 to 100x between today and Monday. So if you want to partake in those trades, go to 13mmtv.com or 13marketmoves.com. Sign up now. Get in touch with someone here at 13 Market Moves ASAP. The market is moving. Don't let it move without you. Let's roll.